Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Desi roast chicken. We'll go through each step, from preparing the chicken to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. You'll learn about the key spices and techniques that give this dish its incredible flavor. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a succulent, aromatic roast chicken that's surprisingly easy to make at home. Let's get cooking. The secret to a truly flavorful Desi roast chicken lies in its marination. You'll want to create a rich marinade using plain yogurt, fresh ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Ensure the chicken is thoroughly coated. For the best absorption of flavors, let it marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This step is crucial for a tender and juicy outcome. Now, let's talk about roasting. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your marinated chicken on a roasting rack. Roast it for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remember to baste the chicken every 20 minutes or so with its own juices or a little melted butter to keep it moist. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and perfect doneness. Once your Desi roast chicken is out of the oven, the final step is to let it rest. Allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before carving. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Garnish with fresh cilantro and bright lemon wedges for a vibrant presentation. This delicious roast chicken pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or a crisp green salad. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.